Welcome to Apartment Renovations by Casamona. The kitchen is fully equipped and has a traditional Catalan green tiles, which creates the perfect contrast with the dining room. The dining table is made from completely recycled materials, giving it a rustic finish, whilst the vibrant hanging lamps create a warm and pleasant atmosphere for sharing a meal together. The apartment feels very spacious as the communal areas have all been built together, with an open plan style kitchen, dining and living area at the front of the apartment. There was previously a living room here, however it was rebuilt into this beautiful and spacious balcony with a unique view of the Mediterranean Sea. It has been decorated with blue and yellow tiles, giving it a fresh and colourful look. The bedrooms are equipped with a queen-size bed, air conditioning and large wardrobe. The bedrooms are featured in the back of the apartment in order to specifically let in sunlight, and this natural light combined with the modern and simple finishes will make sure you feel right at home here. For more information, you can get in touch with us using the contact details on screen.